Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is a Swedish automotive brand founded in 1927, renowned for its commitment to safety, innovation, and durability. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Volvo, Volvo, Vol, Vo. Feel the little weight in the end of second syllable, Vo, Volvo. The brand offers a range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and station wagons. One of their popular models, the Volvo XC90, is a luxury SUV with a top speed of around 112 miles per hour, 180 kilometers per hour. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Volvo, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.